film for me? Hi guys, we're on like a little adventure today. My mom and I are doing a shopping challenge. So it's 10:20 right now. We are at the mall and we are going to be here until 9 o'clock at night when they close. We're hanging out at Starbucks right now. I have a chai tea latte. Do you want to say what you have?
I have this.
Here, I'll film you.
I have it. Almond milk. What do I have? Almond milk flat white.
Honey.
Honey.
Almond milk honey flat white. I'm already weirded out by like vlogging in public, but we're gonna see how it goes and we're gonna have some fun. 1 hour down. Okay, we left Starbucks and we're actually shopping now. So it's 11:01. We took a little break, I guess. We were 1 hour down and we have a lot more to go. We're in Anthropologie right now and everything is so cute. Yeah, I know. All of this stuff is so cute. I literally love this so much. This would be so cute in the apartment. Hello, this is my mom. You saw her earlier. I love this skirt because it's so soft, but it's way too big in the waist. And it's an extra small, so it's kind of weird. But the color is so pretty. I'm so sad. Okay, so we've been here for 2 hours now. We have 9 more to go. 9 more to go. 9, because it's noon and then they close at 9. We just finished this side of the mall, so I think we're gonna go back to the other side. 9. They close at 9.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. She clearly can't do math. I kind of like this bucket hat. I always make fun of bucket hats, but it's kind of cute. I don't know why I like this, but it's so cute. Okay, low-key, really like this skirt. The pattern is so pretty. This is so cute. We got the skirt. She also got some perfume. We're doing good so far.
It's not focused at all. Hi YouTube, it's Sophie. Why is this always my angle that I choose? Yeah, I'm trying to buy a dress.
And I'm gonna try stuff on. We just kind of like, this happens. This is the second time that this has happened.
Yeah, it happened over winter break. We got them all together.
Yeah, and like, we didn't plan this, so.
Connections. All right, bye YouTube, love you.
Wait, these pants are low-key really cute. Wait, these are so cute. They're literally so cute. Okay, I think I'm definitely gonna get them. They're so cute. How did I find these? I don't know. Okay, so we're in Nordstrom right now. My mom is finally trying on these leggings that she was debating over. But yeah, that's an update for right now. I forgot to update you guys when it was 1, but it's 1:30 right now. But yeah, so that's what's happening. So, no? No. No? Okay. We got Chick-fil-A. So I had a few rewards. So I got a free chicken sandwich and a free mac and cheese. She's never tried the mac and cheese before, so she's going to try it. What would you rate it out of 10? A 4. It's good. I just like wouldn't get this instead of fries. It's like my thing. This is the most perfect waffle fry I've ever seen. Okay, these are the sauces I get. Let's do a little sauce tour. Buffalo, Chick-fil-A, and garlic ranch. Comment down below what sauces you guys get from Chick-fil-A, because if it's not these 3, then like you're doing it wrong. The sign is so cute. You know you've been to Sephora when your hand looks like this. My hand is literally covered with swatches. Okay, so I don't know what time it is actually. It's 5 o'clock. We're taking a little break. We're back at Starbucks. A different one this time because there's actually 3 Starbucks in this mall. I got a iced white tea with guava white tea something. I don't know. I haven't tried it, so. Ooh, that's actually really good. I like it. We're getting a little tired. At least I'm getting a little tired. I think we're both getting a little tired. We've been here for 7 hours, but it honestly doesn't feel like 7 hours. So I don't know why, but we're just tired. Okay, I have Fila's on. My feet feel huge. I don't know, I've always wanted them, but my feet feel so big. I'm pretty sure these are supposed to be normal pants, but they literally look like pajama pants. So we're eating dinner now. We're at California Pizza Kitchen. We got a Hawaiian pizza and I'm really excited about it because I'm so hungry. But they haven't brought our bread yet, so I'm kind of sad about that. And it's also 7:56. We have 1 more hour left. We got our pizza and it looks so good. You wanna say hi? Is it gonna focus? Okay, we finished our dinner at California Pizza Kitchen. We walked around a little bit more because we finished eating a lot earlier than we thought we were going to. Right now it is 8:53 in the PM. We're just waiting till 9 so we can leave because I don't want to leave before 9 because I feel like if we've been here since 10 and our goal was to stay till 9, it would be a waste if we didn't stay till 9, you know? But yeah, we are almost done. We did it. So a little recap on today. I bought the skirt from Urban Outfitters. I bought the pants from PacSun. I ended up buying the Fila's. I'm gonna see if they look good with like some jeans that I have and stuff. They just make my feet look so big. I don't know. And then I feel like that was everything I bought. I don't remember. I think that was everything I bought. But yeah, so we have officially succeeded today's shopping trip. It was a long one, obviously. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of random and it was probably all over the place. What are your final thoughts?
I don't have any final thoughts.
No final thoughts?
No final thoughts. I can shop a few more hours.
Oh. Okay, let's go.
Send me, I know you send me, darling, you